You look so cute. What up? Right now, I thought I'd go live while I'm feeling sexy. As the sun glistens in my face as I ride aboard a yacht while the people are drinking champagne and the bride and groom back there taking pictures. I'm feeling sexy right now. I'm feeling some kind of way because, you know, ladies, every now and then I clean up. Y'all have a blessed day. They didn't call my management and free my schedule. They've been working on this almost 2 years. I guess when I do get married, it's gonna be on a boat. I love these doggone boats. Look at this, y'all. All right, y'all. I gotta go get me something to eat. And let me show y'all something. The dog even sharp. Look at here.
I tell you, Brown is looking good.
He got it bow tie on. Where the shoes? What happened to the shoes?
I took them off.
You took them off?
Okay, Brandon said, come on. Go on.
Huh?
Okay.
Are you right? You need it? I got you. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, I got to stay on the taxi.
I know that's right.